I want to be in the decision making process, right? I want to help businesses with their finances. And so what kind of set them apart when I started, I found them through their podcast. So put a plug in for the Modern CPA Success Show. I was kind of just listening to stuff while I did my work, and I found out that they're just a few years ahead of the curve, is what I would say. Because I think you're right that this is where accounting's going, but they're ahead of the curve. So they started doing this kind of CFO work back in early 2000s. They went fully remote in 2013, which is pretty crazy to think about. That now it's like if you had a fully distributed team, like no big deal. But to go fully distributed in 2013, they're just a little bit ahead of the game, and they focus their entire offering around that. In the end, you can get a good forecast. You can get a CFO that you can have advisory with. Now there's accounting with that, because you got to be in the books to kind of know what's going on. But in the end, it's all about the advisory. A couple other things they do differently is they've done fixed fee billing for a long time. That's becoming pretty normal too. Normalized weekly billing. So every Monday they draw on your account and you pay your little fee, instead of having a bunch of work done for you and then getting the hours on the back end. It's a fixed fee every week, cancel at any time, kind of like a weekly subscription to your CFO.